everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a weekly vlog. So today is Monday, April 23rd. It's about 6:30 at night. I didn't really do much today because I am on summer holidays. So I've just been watching The Office lately. I'm currently on season 2. It was really nice weather today. It was about 18 degrees and sunny, so I sat outside and read a book for a bit. I hung up some laundry, and I also started to do some spring cleaning, so I went through all my stuff from school, which you would have saw in the clips before, and I just kind of took all of my old notes and everything that I don't need anymore, kind of threw that out and just organized that little container that has all my school stuff in it. So I just went through that, and yeah, I'm gonna be doing like a whole spring cleaning thing of my room and everything, so keep watching for that. Good morning, everyone. It is Tuesday, April 24th. It is 10:35 in the morning, and I am just about to make my breakfast. So I have a bowl here with my oatmeal in it, and I am just going to add some milk and brown sugar to it. It looks gross, but I promise it's really good. It's just steel cut oats with a little water that I just put in the microwave, and then brown sugar and milk. I am so bored. It's 1:30. I just watched some of The Office and caught up on some YouTube videos, and yeah. I can't even leave the house because one of our cars won't start, so my dad had to take it in to get fixed, and my mom took the other one to work, so I can't even go anywhere, and I'm waiting for my dad to come back and tell me if the car works because I'm supposed to go visit my friends tonight, and we're going out to a bar. So yeah, I kind of like need to have a car, and he's still not back. He's been gone since like 10 this morning, so I'm really hoping that they can fix it. But yeah. Listens to is that ground. My room is such a mess. Time to clean it. It is now Friday. I haven't vlogged a lot lately in the past 2 days because yesterday I just went down to the mall with my mom and sister, and we were there pretty much all day. We left at like 9:45 in the morning, didn't get back till like around 5, and then last night we went to the premiere of the new Avengers movie, Infinity War, so it was a pretty busy day, pretty hectic, so I didn't vlog any of that. And then on Wednesday, the day before that, I was just at my friend's house pretty much all day, and then I drove home and then went out to my grandparents' house for my grandpa's birthday. So it's kind of been so it's been a busy past 2 days, so I haven't really vlogged anything, but today's Friday and I don't have anything planned for right now. I think tonight when my mom and sister get home, we're going out to Winners so I can get some shorts for the summer. But yeah, so I just cleaned my room and I'm probably gonna go watch some more of The Office because I'm already on season 3 and I started watching it like last week. So yeah, and I also might film a what's in my bag video today, so that's the plan. Alright, so I just finished filming a video, hence why I look actually nice. I have a cute shirt on. I just filmed a what's in my bag video. I have a new filming schedule, so I'm going to be uploading a video on Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. So Sunday will be my weekly vlogs. Friday will probably be like lifestyle fashion videos, so that's today, so the what's in my purse video is going to be going up today. And then I'm hoping to start doing like unsolved videos, like missing people cases and stuff on Wednesdays, so stay tuned for those. Well, behind the scenes of filming everything that came out of my purse on the floor. We'll set up their tripod. Now time to take all this makeup off and possibly go work out. I just realized I've been wearing this shirt for the literal entire vlog. Today it is Sunday, April 29th. The last thing that I vlogged was yesterday, me getting ready to go out, I went out for drinks with my friends, so that was Saturday night. So today is Sunday. I haven't really done much. I was supposed to go to the mall with my friend, but she couldn't go anymore. She had family coming over, so I've just been kind of hanging out at home. I think I will end the vlog here. So I want to say thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.